Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas day 4. So I'm sitting here with my coffee. I got this cup last year, I think, from Starbucks. So cute. I found it. I just pulled it out my cabinet. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. So this is the Immortelle line, and this one is supposed to be really great for your skin and your hands as well, because this is a hand cream. So I'm gonna put this one. Oh, this smells amazing. This smells really good. Oh my gosh. It smells similar to their original line, but it smells even better. Like, smells really good. I don't know what's in here, but I don't know what this scent is, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, this is nice. Look at my hands. This is really nice. I've been really wanting to try this since last night when I opened it. This would be a great present for someone. It's really good, you guys, and it smells amazing. For lips, I'm going to put some of this on because my lips are given dry. Let's put some of this on. Usually I use that one overnight, but I can't find my other, I have like a million little lip balm things, but I don't know where I put them. I feel like I'm usually putting these on when I'm half asleep because it's the last thing I do before I go to bed. And I am half asleep and I just drop them in random places. I actually may have a few in my nightstand now that I think about it, because that would be the last place that I drop it before falling asleep. On today's agenda, I need to edit. I have my laptop. I need to edit so badly, you guys. So I did start vlogging Vlogmas early, but I still need to post 2 videos in November. So yeah, I'm gonna post today. Hopefully I can edit the rest of this video, and I need to edit another video that I want to post maybe tomorrow, so I can get those out the way and start December Vlogmas, period. Also need to edit yesterday's vlog. I want to really stay on top of the vlog editing so that I don't get overwhelmed. You guys, I have been in search for my tree skirt for 3 days at this point, and I cannot find it. And I also cannot remember what it looked like. Something, I vaguely remember it being like a sweater material, like, you know, that blanket material that's kind of like a sweater, if that makes sense. Like a cable knit sweater, but it's a Christmas tree skirt in white. I think that's what my skirt looks like, but I'm not sure if I'm making that up or if that's really what it looks like. I feel like I can't remember because, or no, I think I have like a natural color skirt. I'm gonna look through my Target receipts, like in the app, because I think I bought it at Target. I don't know where it's at. It's really what it is. I looked again today, didn't find it. So at this point, I basically just have to get a new skirt, and which is annoying because they're not cheap. Like the nice ones, they're not cheap. Like yesterday, my dad tells me that I can get a tree skirt at the dollar store, which is true. But this is not Dollar Tree skirt material. That's kind of on my agenda. Maybe we get a tree skirt, maybe we don't. I have yet to make it to Nespresso, but today is Sunday, so Jersey, the Garden State Plaza is closed on Sundays, so we're not going to Nespresso, and I don't think I really want to go to White Plains today, because the Bloomingdale's in White Plains has Nespresso as well, but I don't know if I'm up to that. And then I kind of wanted to go to Bath and Body Works to pick up some wallflowers and just to add some more in the house. Y'all, that new one that I got, it smells so good. I woke up today again and I'm like, it's Christmas. Like, it literally is Christmas. I know the tree also smells. I can smell the pine, but mixed in with that gingerbread smell, chef's kiss. Like, it's amazing. I know Johnny and the kids are not going with me. Callie maybe, but Johnny and Clay are definitely not tagging along with me. Yesterday they were like, another stop. Yesterday we did a lot. Like we went to the diner, which was amazing. By the way, if you live in Rockland or in like anywhere near here, check out Orangetown Diner. Like they're really good. I've seen it around, I've seen it on Instagram for probably 3 years. I don't know what took us so long to go there. So we did have a great time, but Clay and Johnny were over it when we got to Trader Joe's. After Trader Joe's, when Callie goes, oh, we're gonna go to Target now, they were like, what? We did go to Target. Thankfully, it was pretty empty, which was nice because a lot of the stores yesterday were kind of packed. I thought maybe there was going to be a long line. It's the holiday season, but it was kind of empty. So that was really great, especially because they were like done with us. So we get home last night and Clay goes, I am not going anywhere tomorrow. Anyways, you guys, let me get my hard drive so I can start editing this vlog. So I just set up my workstation. I have my laptop, my hard drive, and then my essentials on the other side so I can start editing. I'm gonna sit right here and I'm gonna probably just put on some background stuff on the TV. So are they going to another Met Gala? Are they going to another event? Oh goodness. Okay, it looks like they're going to Fashion Week. So this is basically like the same thing, but in Paris. Okay. Johnny wanted to make pancakes, and for some reason we forgot pancakes yesterday at Trader Joe's. So he actually just went to go grab some pancake mix because he wanted to make pancakes today for breakfast. I don't know how we forgot, but clearly we did. So, yeah.
Making Christmas pancakes.
Callie's making these Christmas pancakes.
Yeah.
This is her little setup
I'm
over
a
here.
chef.
You're a chef.
Yeah. Look, I also have this to flip the pancakes.
To flip them?
Yeah. Not to flip them, to take them out.
These are so cute. And Johnny is chopping up in here as well. Good?
There, or we have some butter one up there. I just get the ShopRite brand usually.
Thank you.
Looks good, Mommy. Yeah. I can see it. The OJ is like darkening it a little bit. When you pour it, it's darkening it.
So we just got done editing. It's 1 o'clock right now. So I am currently exporting that video so I can have it up later. I got a couple packages. This one is from Bare Minerals. It has a couple glosses from their holiday collection. It says Shimmering Stars Lip Gloss Balm Duo. Let's see what these are. Oh, this is pretty. So this is a lip gloss balm and this is a lip. Oh, so they're both. Okay, so these are the two colors. These are the two colors and I guess they're both like lip gloss balms. I'm gonna try the clear color to see what that looks like. Smells good. I think it looks pretty nice. What do you guys think? I figured I would also share one thing I got from Black Friday, which is from Fenty. My camera is on the box right now, so I'll take the camera off. But I ordered 4 things from Black Friday. This is one of them. I have one order from Aritzia that's not here yet. It's literally just one item though, so I'll show you guys when I get it. Fenty, I actually ordered, they were having a 30% off sale, and I think it was around that same week somewhere. So I ordered that and I have it to show you guys. That was the first thing that I ordered, and I also ordered from White Fox Boutique, but those are coming from Australia and they're not here yet. So, and I know they have a lot of orders because things were selling out so quickly on their website. Their site was selling out while I was shopping. Same for Aritzia. Like the item that I had in my cart, it said sold out. Like I was like, what? Also, Lululemon didn't even have a sale, you guys, but I got that red sweater thing I showed you guys yesterday or the day before. They had no sale, but things were selling out on their side. Like people were just shopping. We are a lot lower because you guys were sitting on this box, but let me use my handy dandy box cutter. I don't remember if I've ever ordered from Fenty. Actually, I've never ordered from Fenty Skin, so this is Fenty Skin. So Fenty Skin. Okay, my little packing slip. Do you guys guess what I ordered? You probably already know. I'm probably gonna put it in the thumbnail. Knowing me. But I got 2 of these Fenty body balms. So this is what they look like. So these are the Fenty body butters, and I've heard amazing things about these scents. I personally love the Fenty body butter. It's one of my favorites. So when I saw she was coming out with a holiday scent, I definitely knew I wanted it. So this is called this one is called Shimmering Whipped Oil Body Cream, the butter drop. The original was amazing, but we had to have this one because we've heard so many good things about it. Let me try to open this. Okay. Ooh, the packaging is so pretty. The packaging is so pretty. Can you guys see how pretty is this packaging? Wow. So, so pretty. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. You guys. Oh my goodness. You know the little Teddy Graham crackers? The cinnamon one? It smells like that. Yeah, it definitely smells like the cinnamon Teddy Graham crackers. It does. It has like, oh my god. It has like golden shimmer. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I want to smell like this. It smells like a cinnamon roll. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. Happy I got this on sale because I saved quite a bit of money. They had 30%, which was crazy. That's a good deal. Like I'm not with the, if it's honestly in the holiday season, I am not with the 10% off. 10% is not a sale. I'm gonna be selling like holiday treats every day between this and the L'Occitane body butter. Always learning how to get sturdy right now.
Then you do a movie, right? We're gonna get the baby moves on. Pause. High pause on that, right? So from here, we're gonna have to get these little. It's not really like a jump. Don't think of jump.
So it's a lot later. It's after 7 right now, and I am done with work. So I'm done with work. I basically spent the entire day editing and working on content for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everything. So today was truly a work day for me. Johnny cooked some burgers for Johnny made some burgers for lunch, so we had that a little earlier. And I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner. I don't know why my hair is sticking up right here, but what was I saying? So we need to figure out dinner for tonight. I'm not sure what we're gonna do for dinner. I'm actually kind of full. I'm actually not even that hungry. Last night we watched a movie. I think I showed y'all like the screen. That movie was crazy. We watched Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. I know it's like really popular and you've probably seen it, but I've never seen it. It was insane. We were like, what? It was crazy. But if you're gonna watch it, definitely read the description and I don't know, maybe even read a spoiler because it's intense. Like it may be, it could be a lot for some people. It could be a lot. I think it was a lot. I did not expect it to go how it went. It is Sunday night. We usually watch football on Sunday night, and football comes on at like 8:15. Well, it's on right now, but we usually watch like the big game at 8:15. So maybe we can just do pizza tonight. I don't know. I really don't feel like cooking. I feel a little under the weather, which you can probably tell in my voice. So I'm really trying to get myself together by tomorrow. Just feeling better. It started yesterday, but it's gotten better. So I feel like if I can just hydrate some more today and you know, just drink some like honey and lime and all the natural remedies, I can get myself together by tomorrow night, hopefully, because I hate feeling like this. I'm so stuffy. It's just like, that's annoying. But Callie was sick sometime last week, so clearly she passed it on. Thank you. So now she's doing amazing, and I'm not. So anyways, I think I do have emergency as well, so I'm gonna drink an emergency right now. I'm gonna make myself some tea. I found this one. This is the only one that I have that's good for bedtime. It's the Soothing Caramel Bedtime, supports a good night's sleep. So I'm gonna have this, and I'm gonna add some honey in there just to help me feel better. Alright y'all, so I just bathed in that new Fenty body butter. It smells so good, y'all. It's like gingerbread cookies. Like, it smells amazing. Sephora is having their sale, so definitely pick it up because you need it. I'm gonna drink my tea, and we're just gonna relax, and we're just gonna chill, hang out, and then I'm gonna go to bed.